Hey, let me show you camera quality on the Redmi 13. So first, on this smartphone we can actually find 108 megapixel mode, and I'm gonna actually open the camera. I'm gonna show you that I'm actually using in the settings the high picture quality mode. It's just right here. The picture quality is set for the high, and also I'm gonna use the 108 megapixel mode. There's also some good lighting condition in my room, so I will try to take the photo like this of this iPhone. There we go, the photo was taken. And now let's take a look for some details. Let's take a look about the quality. There we go. As you can see, we can actually find a lot of details. For example, when you zoom in into this camera, we can find here the microphone structure, the LED light. So the quality looks really nice if you have good lighting condition and if you use the 108 megapixel mode. So that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.